Hey everyone, this is Maddie from Gas Mask Performance, doing a quick video today on high pressure fuel pumps. Big question that happens a lot and I see on Facebook and forums and everywhere else is, how do I know if I have upgraded fuel pump internals? A lot of times you get answers like, watch your fuel pressure, pull the pump, all that. Well, the correct answer is to actually pull the pump and actually check the internals. And you can't just pull the pump and look at this and go, okay, it has high pressure fuel pump internals. Yes, you can if you check and you see it has the keepers, but I'd still go beyond that and actually unthread it and pull it apart. So here on the right we have a stock pump with stock internals. If you pull this out and you see there's no markings on this at all, that's stock. And then the piston is actually smooth, the same size all the way down the shaft. Okay, and it has this hat on it. Corksport uses a similar style hat, and then Autotech uses keepers. But the stock ones are smooth like this. Now aftermarket ones, like Autotech, they use the keepers. And then as well as, if I can get this to focus here, Autotech serializes, and I believe Corksport does too, serializes the piston. And then if you pull this further apart, pull the keepers out, and pull the rod out, you'll see how the rod is, as well as how it's made. It has a bigger section on the bottom. Okay, Corksport's very similar. They have a bigger section piece on it. It's the only way to tell if you have upgraded high pressure fuel pump internals, which is a highly recommended first mod to perform on any speed or DZI platform. Alright guys, have a good one. Let me know what you think and leave a comment down below.